to tell you something. Basically, I remember sitting down and I'm just like chilling in my room on my desk. I'm sitting on my desk right now, and for a few like hours, and I just realised there's been a hard campsite this whole time. And I've been doing front flips in my room all day except from today. And my school, that was fine. Just a bit free. That was fine. If I hear any like vibrating noise, pretty sure that's like the hood or just my ventilators. Probably that. I'm sweating because this is where I've been doing my front flips all day. I'm none of here. Front flip, and then I'm on here. And then I'm studying. Earlier I was trying to make a video for you guys doing my flip flops, but I kind of failed because there was a vibrating noise in the background and that was really annoying because you couldn't hear me talking. And if this fails, I'm going to be really mad, and then in the next video I'll tell you about it. Okay, peace out guys.